Welcome to our Wix tutorials. Today, we will learn how to get inventory variants using Postman with Wix API. For more motivation to make other videos, please like and subscribe to our channel. In Wix API, you can get inventory variants by using Postman. This is why today, Hexa will show you how to do it efficiently and quickly. The process of getting inventory variants includes 3 steps. Step 1. Generate API credentials from the Wix developer website. Step 2. Refresh the access token using Postman. Step 3. Get inventory variants using Postman. Now, take the first step, generate API credentials from the Wix developer website. If this is the first time you make a call in the Postman, you must generate API credentials from the Wix developer's website. You can watch this video to learn how to access Wix API. Now, take the second step, refresh the access token using Postman. Wix's access token is only valid for 5 minutes, so you need to use the refresh token to request a new access token. At Postman, create a new post with this URL. In the body section, enter the code. For more information about the code, please read the blog in the description. Then click Send. The Postman will return a new access token and refresh token. Now, take the third step, get the inventory variants using Postman. Before getting inventory variants, we will get product ID and then get inventory item ID because that parameter includes in the next call. Now we must get product ID first. From the Wix dashboard, go to Store Products. Click on Products. Then click on the product that you want to get the product ID. Finally, copy the product ID in the URL. We will rely on the product ID and get the product to receive the inventory item ID. Now we will get the product. Go to Postman. Create a new get with this endpoint. Remember to enter the authorization in the key section and the access token in the value section in the header. Then click Send. As you can see, the Postman returned all information about the product like this. In this result, you can find the inventory item ID. Remember to copy this ID for the next step. Finally, we will get inventory variants. In Postman, create a new post with this URL. Remember to enter the authorization in the key section and the access token in the value section in the header. In the body, enter this code. Then click Send. As you can see, the Postman returned all information about inventory items variants of the product. Those are all steps to get inventory variants using Postman with Wix API. In case you have any wonders about Wix, or you want to research Wix API integration, you can visit bhexa.com. We have tons of Wix integrated solutions for many types of business, such as Wix Amazon integration, Wix Square integration, Wix SAP B1 integration, or Wix Salesforce integration. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video about Wix API. If you have any suggestions or questions, let us know in the comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Hexa, connecting applications, automating processes.